looking for Journeyman Culinary exam prep, you're already taking the right step forward. This exam is a big milestone for cooks who want recognition, stability, and better career options. And if it's been a while since you last wrote an exam, you're not alone. Here's the thing. The Journeyman Culinary exam is not about fancy plating or celebrity chef tricks. It's about proving you understand the fundamentals of professional cooking. That includes safety, organization, timing, and decision-making under pressure. Let's talk about what the exam usually looks like. Most culinary journeyman exams include around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You'll usually have 3.5 to 4 hours to complete them. That means pacing and focus matter just as much as knowledge. You might see questions based on real kitchen situations. Topics often include food safety, sanitation, knife skills, cooking methods, nutrition, and menu planning. There are also questions about costing, portions, and basic kitchen math. The first step in effective journeyman culinary exam prep is building a clear study plan. Don't try to study everything at once. Break your prep into sections like safety, cooking methods, ingredients, and costing. Short daily study sessions are more effective than long weekend cramming. Food safety is one of the most important areas to focus on. You may see questions about temperature control, cross-contamination, or personal hygiene. When studying safety, focus on why the rule exists. Understanding the reason makes answers easier to spot. Cooking methods are another key topic. Be clear on the differences between dry heat, moist heat, and combination methods. Think about when and why each method is used in a real kitchen. Knife skills and basic prep knowledge also matter. You might see questions about cuts, yields, or proper tool use. Kitchen math often worries people, but it doesn't need to. Most questions focus on portions, yields, and simple conversions. Time management is a skill you should practice before exam day. Answer confident questions first, return to harder ones, and eliminate wrong options when unsure. Mindset plays a big role in passing. Many skilled cooks struggle because they doubt themselves. Remember that this exam is based on what you already do every day. If you want more structure in your Journeyman Culinary exam prep, study tools can help. At journeymanstudyguide.com, Q&A books, explanations, and time tests support focused studying. Passing the Journeyman Culinary exam can open new doors. Certified cooks often earn more and move into leadership roles. Journeyman Culinary exam prep is about steady progress, not perfection. Study consistently, trust your experience, and prepare with confidence.